Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a white mushroom rice plov. This is a 24 ounce in the pack. I'm going to use 8 ounce white mushrooms. They are organic mushroom. So I'm going to cut them into small pieces. I'm going to wash them with the cold water. I'm going to use 1 onion. I'm going to cut into the long slices. Then I'm going to use a basmati rice, 1 cup. I'm going to wash it with the cold water. Then I'm going to use 2 cups of water. For our tadka, I'm going to use olive oil and spices from my spice rack. So please check it out the description below for the ingredient list. I cut the onion in long slices. And as for the mushroom, this is the last one. Just wanted to share with you that the way I cut it, I really cut it into thin slices. So once you cut half, then you make 4 to 5 pieces. If you cut the thin slices, when you're going to eat it in your rice plov, they're going to taste really well. So now we're going to wash it with the cold water. Our rice is washed with cold water, and the mushroom, I really washed it really well. I get a big pot down there, I fill with the water and put my strainer, and just make sure that you wash it well. There is no dirt, since these are organic mushrooms. If you have a pre-wash and pre-cut, then you really don't have to wash it. But these are organic mushrooms, so when the factory, they ship it, and they ship directly without washing. So as you can see, there's some dirt, so just take it out. So I'm going to wash it. I will drain the water. This is one time I wash it. I'm going to wash it 2 more times. This is the 3rd time, and let's start making rice plov. Get a fry pan, start gas, and we're going to keep gas on high. We'll bring olive oil, like 1 tablespoon. You can use any vegetable oil, whatever you like. I'll bring 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon mustard seed, and onion. Mix it well. And we're going to saute our onion until they become transparent. Cooking our onion for 4 minutes. They are nicely transparent. Now I'm going to bring mushroom. Mix it well. Bring the gas on medium. I'll bring all the spices. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt to taste. This is 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Mix it well. Cooking our mushroom for 2 minutes on medium flame with our tadka. We start change to color. And now I'm going to bring 2 cups water. Bring my gas on high. We're going to mix it well. We're going to cover with the lid, and we're going to bring the water to boil. The water is started to boil. I'll open the lid, and now I'm going to bring rice. Mix it well. After mixing it well, we're going to cover with the lid on a high gas. We're going to cook it for exactly 5 minutes. Cooking exactly 5 minutes. We're not going to open the lid. We're going to bring the gas to simmer, which is low, and we're going to keep it on low for 10 minutes. We don't want to open it or stir it. After 10 minutes, we're going to open it. Mushroom rice pulao is going to cook to our perfection. So we'll open it after 10 minutes. Exactly 10 minutes on low gas, which is simmer. I'm going to turn it off. Rice mushroom pulao is all ready, and I will open it. Look at the rice pulao. Wow. Perfect. Each grain is separate. Look at this. At my serving bowl, and we're going to dish out. Wow, look at this. Mushroom rice pulao. Our quick and easy mushroom rice pulao with white mushroom is all ready, and they are super delicious. And we're going to sprinkle with some parsley flake. Wow, it looks awesome. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you, and bye-bye.